In this in-depth Q&A session, we reveal the secrets to earning $20,000 a month with affiliate marketing. Understand the steps you need for a $20K a month affiliate business, including niche, programs, and product selection. Learn how to identify high-converting offers that provide the best commissions for profitability. Discover how to grow a loyal audience who trusts your recommendations through social media and content. Learn to use paid ads to quickly scale your affiliate business and optimize your campaigns for ROI. Implement strategies to automate processes like email marketing and affiliate tracking for effortless scaling. Get tips on creating compelling content that drives affiliate sales with effective call to actions. Discover techniques top affiliates use to build trust and credibility with their audience. Learn to analyze affiliate campaigns and make data-driven decisions to optimize your earnings. Get insights on overcoming hurdles in affiliate marketing, like competition and fluctuating commissions. This Q&A session covers everything you need for $20K a month from affiliate marketing in 2025. Ready to start?